Hey, Jim Bergman with MeasureQuick. Wanted to take a minute today and show you the UEI COA2, and it's a pretty cool new integration into MeasureQuick. And you know, I've always thought personal CO meters are something that every technician should have. I mean, going back, I remember Gary Reacher used to carry one around, a good friend of mine, and more than one time he walked into a hotel or walked into a business or walked into a building and there was a CO emergency. And the problem with something like this, even though they're awesome devices, is a lot of technicians don't know what to do if the alarm goes off. I mean, you could be in 10 parts per million, 35 parts per million, 75 parts per million, 100 parts per million. And do you know when the alarm goes off what to do? And even as long as I've been doing this, I'd have to stop and think for a minute before I took action. And that was a problem we wanted to solve. Because this is not a PPE device. Like when you think of personal protective equipment, I think of like glasses, right? You put glasses on, it's going to keep a rock from getting in your eye. You wear earmuffs, it's going to keep you from damaging your hearing. You carry this around, it's just going to alarm, and you better know what to do because you've got to protect you if this goes off. So what we did in MeasureQuick is we have this integrated in, and it works all the time in MeasureQuick. It'll even work in the background. And I'm just going to simulate an alarm here just with this little smoke candle here. And we'll show you how this thing works when we have an alarm event. So we just get a little bit of smoke here, and hopefully I can get enough under my hand to make it alarm. And what we get right away is, because we're at 216 parts per million, is to call from outside. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on right here. Is the phone is actually vibrating. It also sent a message, or will very quickly, to my watch, telling my watch, hey, you have an alert. So we get iPhone alert, we get alert here, we get vibration, haptic feedback. The phone is making a noise if you can hear it in the background, and I can acknowledge that hazard and move on. In this case here, it's going down, still going off here. We'll give it a little bit of air and get that CO event back down there. But you can see how quickly this alarms, notifies your phone. Now at the same time this is alarming, we're actually taking a snapshot of this and uploading it to the cloud if you're in a project. So you can document that CO event happened if you need to do that. But these are very cool, very innovative features, I think, that are gonna really change the way these alarms are used. If you have one already, it'll just pair it up with MeasureQuick, it'll work. If you don't have one, they're available at TruTech Tools. If you just go to TruTechTools.com and look for a UEI COA2, they can get you one shipped out. This is Jim with MeasureQuick. Thanks a lot for watching.